Here at RAF Fairford in Gloucester, UK, we are expecting a series of US Air Force strategic bombers to be departing shortly. First of all, we have a U-2 Dragon Lady taxiing out to the runway to perform some training circuits. It's a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft of 1950s design. The latest variant here being the U-2S, built in the 1980s and operated by the 99th Reconnaissance Squadron out of Beale Air Force Base, California, with a detachment here at RAF Fairford in the UK. Just see the support crew making their way out to loosen the pogo wheels. Those are the two wheels you see under the wings there. The idea is that as the aircraft takes off, the pogo wheels fall away, making the aircraft as light as possible by not having any landing gear. And this of course helps it get up to high altitudes of 70,000. So that's the support crew making their way back to the vehicle. Also have this white Dodge Charger, that's the chase car. That'll help to guide the U-2 back in when it comes in for landing. As the pilots can't see very clearly, and they need to stall the U-2 roughly 2 feet above the runway in order to land. It's said that if you can fly this aircraft, you can fly pretty much anything. See those pogo wheels foul onto the runway, support crew making their way out and loading it back onto the truck. Alright, the chase car and the support crew are now going to stage up. And that chase car, you're going to see in just a moment, is going to whisk out onto the runway and help to guide the U-2 in. The U-2 is going to make a low approach from runway 27. There's the chase car and hot pursuit. Now we have the fully armed B-52 bomber taxiing out to the runway. See all those cruise missiles under the wings as they launch there on a strike mission to the Middle East. Those 8 TF-33 engines smoking away, original engines from the 1960s when these B-52Hs were first produced. And following behind, the U-2 spy plane. Beauty Dragon Lady has now landed, just making their way along the runway before they come to rest and then flop over onto one wing. Those titanium wingtips help to keep the wings protected as they rest there on the runway. And here comes the support crew with the pogo wheels. They're going to reattach the wheels under the wings. And that will enable the aircraft to taxi back to the hangar. So now we're about to see the rather unusual process of putting the wheels back on. And they basically have some of the ground crew hold on to one wing and tilt the aircraft over. After balancing the aircraft, they can now attach the pogo wheel. There they go, making their way past the fire station back to their hangar. U2 doing some training circuits there, in between B-52s launching on a strike mission. And now we have a pair of B-1 bombers taxiing out. They're going to be following the B-52s out of Fairford here. And there we have a pair of Rockwell B-1B Lancers launching out of RAF Fairford, full afterburner. It's hard to capture on video just how incredibly ground shaking those bombers are. Feel the vibration right through your chest, and the sound is just immense, hence we are wearing earplugs.